Hey guys, Nick here with Gear Nut, and my wife has gone and done it again. She ended up getting me a customized Benchmade mini crooked river. So, Benchmade has one of the coolest features I've ever seen, and it is the knife. It's the custom knife builder. It's an option on their website. Abso-freaking-lutely love the idea of that. And when I seen the mini crooked river, I was like, man, I have got to get me one of those. And the only thing that really stopped me was the orange. I just didn't like the orange on the knife. So I ended up not buying one. And I was like, man, I like the way it looks. I really want one, but I don't like the orange. And what does my wife do? She goes and gets on the custom knife builder on Benchmade.com and builds me this epic beast of a knife. I guess it's not really like a huge knife, but it's everything I wanted. Oh my goodness. It's totally blacked out. I wanted a total blackout version of the mini crooked river. This knife is freaking sweet. I absolutely love this knife. I'm trying not to smack my camera. But yeah, it's pretty sweet. The access lock is getting broken. Yes, I am going to use this knife. I know there's somebody out there going to be like, oh man, why would you use such an expensive knife? Look at the centering. Look at the centering on this. It's totally blacked out, so it's one of those knives that's going to be difficult to film. Maybe I should change the background. Nah, let's just keep it black on black. So, if you guys are wondering about the Benchmade custom knife builder, I have had a fantastic experience with it. I even called Benchmade and told them whoever built this knife for me, give them a freaking pat on the back. They did a fantastic job of assembling this. It's perfect. It's perfect. So, big shout out and thank you to my wife for making this birthday one of it's a birthday to remember. It's definitely a special day. And yeah, every day that I use this knife, I'm going to remember her. I'm going to remember how blessed I am to have her in my life. So, if you're looking for that gift idea for somebody that likes knives or is into EDC stuff, and you want to take it up another level beyond blessing someone with a Benchmade, build them a custom one. So, description box below, there's going to be a link down to Benchmade's little customizer. I really wish that Benchmade would make this particular all blackout model available for everybody for the holiday season. I really would like to see Benchmade do that, but I understand maybe it's not possible. But Benchmade, if you guys are watching this video, please, oh please, oh please, put the 940-2 on there. Give us some ability to make the 940-2 our own. I looked at the customizer. I didn't see it. It's actually called the Custom Knife Builder. I did not see the Benchmade on there, the Benchmade 940-2. I would really love to see having options on this particular model, but maybe they can't do it. I'm not sure, what kind of contracts or agreements they have with Osborne, but I guess we'll see. So Benchmade, if it's at all possible, please, oh please, oh please, do it, because I absolutely love it. I would highly recommend it, and I'm definitely going to be using the Benchmade Custom Knife Builder again. Oh my goodness. Absolutely love it. So, if you're wondering what a total blackout edition on the Mini Crooked River would look like, well, guess what? Here it is. Pivot's black, axis lock's black, thumb studs are black, liners are black, the spacers are black, the screws are black. It's got black G10, and the G10 is freaking epic. Epic. Oh my gosh. I've been using this blade, and the coating that they put on there is holding up exceptionally well. So, Benchmade, keep up the fantastic work. I absolutely love this knife. It's getting broken, and I cannot wait to just see what kind of wear gets on this blade after a year or two. Definitely something that will be passed down to my kids. They're going to love it just as much as I do. So, Nick here with Gear Nut. If you're thinking about that custom knife builder over at Benchmade, I had a very, very good experience with it. And I can tell you that if you're looking to blow somebody's socks off this holiday season or for their birthday, definitely, this did it for me. So I would highly recommend it. So Nick here with Gear Nut. If you'd like Benchmade to actually make this model, comment section below, show them that we want it, show them that you're interested, and maybe if there's enough interest, they'll actually make this version, you know, the Gear Nut version, I guess, available for production. You can just pick it up off the shelf. I did get this in time for my birthday. My wife was a little worried about that. It was about 2 weeks for him to build it. Very acceptable. Very acceptable. So, Benchmade, blown away. Very happy that you're part of my special day. Big shout out and thank you to my wife for blessing me with Benchmades. Oh my goodness. Whew. I'm a lucky man. So, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up. And let Benchmade know what you think down in the comment section below. I'm interested to see what you guys have to say. And if you could build your own custom mini Crooked River, what options would you choose? So, Nick here with Gear Nut. I'll check you guys later.